County. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Cook County in northwest Illinois until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed near Bloomingdale, moving northwest at 50 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Cook. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard. Deadly tornado. Source. Radar confirmed tornado. Impact. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Addison around 1:30 a.m. Elmhurst around 1:45 a.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Keeneyville, Roselle, and Hanover Park. Precautionary preparedness actions. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows, if in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely dangerous and hard to see at night. Do not wait or hear a tornado. Take cover now.